Special greetings, my dear students. Already in previous class, we've seen types of software. So mostly software divided into two types. One is a system and another one is a application. So in previous class, we've seen system software, operating system, language processor, device drive, and utilities. I explained this three. Operating system is used to control entire hardware and software of the system. Okay. In our book, if you see, they given principal. Principal is the head. He is controlling everything. Okay. And operating system divided into two types. One is a CUI and another one is a GUI. Nothing but character user interface, graphic user interface. CUI, in a desktop only you can able to see characters. You cannot able to see any graphics at all. Folder, nothing you can able to see. Only black color screen and you can able to see the text. And the GUI, graphical user interface, means nowadays whatever things systems we are seeing, it is of graphical user interface. And next one, language processor. Assembly language, assembler, after interpreter and compiler. Assembler, interpreter, compiler. We seen assembler is a mnemonic codes, means symbols. So few numeric value, few particular symbols will be there. Okay. Interpreter, it is a translator program used to translate a program line by line. Compiler is a translator used to convert entire program at once. Device drive is a special software installed in our computer used to control a hardware. If device drive is not there, we cannot able to use a hardware. If for example, whenever you are inserting pen drive or any external device, if this board is a computer, in right side bottom you can able to see drive is ready, drive is loading, we can able to see that symbol. Like if you didn't notice that, next time kindly notice it. Okay. Now fourth type, utility. Sir, what is this utility? Students, utility is a software. With help of this, it will make system run smoothly. Okay, again I am saying, with help of this utility, system run smoothly. Okay, it helps system to run smoothly, work smoothly. Now if you go to this utility, there are mainly 7 types: backup, restore, compression, disk defragment, disk cleanup, encryption and decryption, antivirus. I hope so few things you know, but many things you don't know in this utilities. First one, backup. What is a backup? Now, okay, you are a CEO of some particular company. You are the head. You are typing something. Okay, very high sensitive document. Okay, very sensitive document. Now you are typing. You are the head of some particular company, and under you thousands of employees working, and that document is very important, high sensitive. You are typing. Okay, mistakenly anyone deleted. You don't know, your enemy or some other person or even yourself or in your home, your family member or anyone, unknowingly or knowingly, they deleted the file. And I told the document is what? High sensitive. Now what you will do? Just you think. It is very tough to take it back now if they delete permanently. So in that case, there is a one problem. There is a one option, backup. With help of this backup, whatever files deleted, we can take it back. Okay. And one information to you, whenever you can able to see in the news, some particular celebrities, particular conversation leaked. Okay, some particular main document leaked. How it is leaking? Can you able to think? Example, now one celebrity, okay, his mobile is damaged. he deleted all the files and he given to some particular mobile shop or some particular hardware shop. Now what that particular person will do, if that particular person is a bad person or any what to say, he can do anything for money, whatever things you deleted he will take it back and he will store that all information in particular drive and he will repair your mobile and he will give to you, but you don't know that he taken back he taken all information which already stored in your mobile. So this is for your awareness. Okay, whenever you are giving a mobile, if it is a high sensitive, you should be very alert. When you are giving, that particular person should be, you are knowing whatever things 1 year before, 2 year before you deleted, that particular information will come back while doing backup. So that's why if you are using technology, you should be aware. If you are unaware, so it is very risky. Okay, whenever you are using mobile or any electronic device, including internet, anything, you should be aware what you are doing. You should know. Unknowingly, sir, for checking purpose I am doing, no, that is wrong. If you don't know, collect information regarding that and you do. So backup is very important. Okay, if you delete, you can able to take it back. Next one, restore. Sir, we understand backup. What is restore? Very simple. In your home, your brother or sister or one small baby came, it made all the settings change. You don't know what setting he made, or you are getting too much struggle. What things settings you applied, you don't know. Okay, or you are going to sell your particular PC or anything. If you are going to sell, you can do the restore. If you do the restore, whatever settings you saved in your PC, you stored your email address, that email address will remove. Whatever you done personalized, everything will remove, and it will show when you are buying a laptop, when you are opening first time, how it was opened. Same way it will be. Restore means it will go to default. When you bought a new earlier time, when you bought a new, that time what were things you see, same it will be. Okay, this is the difference between backup and compression. Backup, it will take deleted file. Restore, it will go to the earlier setting when you bought new. Next one, compression. Students, this compression plays a big role. Okay, there are several advantages, but first advantage I will say, reduce file size. Okay, sir, what is the help of reducing size? Now I am having one particular software. Okay, one software. Okay, movie URL time. It is of 3 GB. It is of how much? 3 GB. If I compress that movie, it is 3 GB now. If I compress this 3 GB movie, this movie will convert it into 1 GB. How much storage saved for you? 2 GB is saved. If you are using if you are using pen drive, you are having only 4 GB pen drive. You have to store 3 movies. Each movie is 3 GB. How you will store? When you will do compress, you can able to store in a pen drive. Correct? But this is an example. Don't write in your exam. Okay? Compression is used to reduce the file size. With help of the file size in your computer, a storage place will be increased. Am I right? When file size will reduce, storage place, a computer will be free. What is that? Disk space, storage area will be free if you are using compression. Next one, disk defragment. What is disk defragment? Any idea? Did you heard that name at any time? Just you think. Very simple. My PC, C drive, 50 GB, D drive, 150 GB. this is my computer. Now I am storing some particular files. My C drive is totally filled. There is no place. But I am storing in C drive. Okay? Or I am downloading something. It will store in C drive. But C drive there is no place. Now what will happen? Automatically files will shift from C to D. Automatically it will shift. That is called disk defragment. Okay? In your mobile also you can able to see. This is a mobile. Okay, example. So you are having internal 64 GB, external 32 GB. Now 64 GB filled. Now we are downloading something. So you are storing some file. Now what will happen? Automatically some files will move to external drive. That is called disk defragment. And next one is a disk cleanup. Disk cleanup already you learned in the 6th class, used to remove unnecessary files. When you are using internet without our information, without our knowledge, few virus files, few cookies, few unnecessary files will store in our computer. Or else when you are performing some virus or some unnecessary files will store in our computer. That all files we cannot able to see from our eyes also, and it is stored in our computer. Some files we cannot able to see, some files we can able to see. Such type of files, unnecessary files, we can remove with help of a disk cleanup. And next one is the encryption decryption. I will explain after antivirus. Okay, you know well, antivirus is used to protect a system from virus, theft and all. So these are the utilities of a software. Now in this we can go to the encrypt and decrypt. Encrypt, what is meant by that? Humans unreadable. Decrypt, human readable. What is the difference? Encrypt, humans we cannot able to read, unreadable. Decrypt, humans can read. Sir, okay, we understood what is encrypt, what is decrypt. What is use of that? Now, one country to country or in an army, some very high sensitive letter, okay, they are passing. So that time they will not write a letter like normally. So tomorrow is a war. Tomorrow is war. So this is a message. This is a message. So this message they will not write tomorrow is a war. That is a letter, and they will not give to anyone, because if they are writing like this, it will be leaked. Okay. So this type of high sensitive information they will encrypt. Sir, how they will encrypt? There are so many procedures are there. So many ways are there to encrypt in a computer or human way also. So two na T, first letter what? T. So after T what will come? U, means T U V, two letter. Okay, after O Q, after 2. So M. So when they will write like this na, M will change as a O, O will change as a Q, T will. So can you able to understand anything? V, Q, O, anything you are understanding? So they will write +2 or -1 or 1 + 2 and another -1. So means it will come in the form of one letter +2, another letter -1, +2, -1, or there will be many different ways like this also. Letters will come. Example, the second letter is what? O, Q na? After O minus, minus 1 means before O what will come? N O minus 1 N will come. T plus 2 V, correct? After T we will. So there are many procedures to encrypt. So many procedures are there to encrypt. So many. Sometimes they will not encrypt. They will simply varna. So they will just do like this. RAW, raw. But this is encrypt. So many procedures are there. Humans we cannot able to read. If you are going to the high level, computer also encrypt. We cannot able to read that. If you are typing that encrypted to decrypt only, it will decrypt. Okay. So some V Q L M O Z 3. So some encrypted message. Okay, some encrypted message. Now I received. Okay, or any other person received. Now country India sending a letter to USA. India is writing like this, encrypted. When USA receiving, USA have to decrypt that letter. The decrypt, India will tell how to decrypt in a separate way, in a different way. Means already they are knowing, because they are well known face to face. Some other person came to India, they met, spoke, officials, so they know how to decrypt. When they will decrypt, this will change into human readable form. Tomorrow is a war. Are you getting now? Encrypt, humans we cannot able to read. In encrypt, there are so many procedures are there to encrypt. Okay, computer also doing encrypt, humans also we are doing encrypt. Okay, humans whatever we are doing, it is easy to decrypt, but whatever computers are doing, it is difficult to do decrypt. Okay, so when they will decrypt it, so there will be they will understand. So like this only, high official, very sensitive information they are passing like this. Okay, so this are the components of utility. Okay, and system software over. Upcoming class we will learn application software. Okay, thanks for watching.